scanning every single part. Every lift part that comes through our room, we have to scan 100%.
There was a need to be able to quickly inspect parts, and we came across the Creaform scanner and found that it would do a very good job of inspecting our parts, scanning instead of using a CMM process.
We've had the Creaform for 2 years. So for 3 years, we've had the Zeiss. Before that, it was just basic hand measurement parts, calipers, plots, micrometers, hand tools, slow old-fashioned measurements. So finally, as soon as we got CMMs, we've started doing more in-depth parts. Like our window frames that we're doing. Before it was scan it this way, okay, now let's flip it over and scan it. Can't do that because you're releasing the part, then putting it back under tension. Because of 3D printing Creaform, now we can clamp it in place and be able to scan it again with both sides without having to move the part at all. Because of those two, it's been huge. With the Zeiss, it would take several hours to measure a window frame, and I can do it in 20 minutes, and that's between scanning and analysis.
The added capability is we're able to scan our tooling with it as well. Or recently we had a tool that over time had warped, and we needed to see if there was enough material in the tool to machine out and resurface the tool. And we were able to determine that we were able to remachine it and resurface it. Then we were able to tell the machinist how much they were going to need to take off. They were able to give us an accurate quote on how much that was going to take. A lot less expensive than having a new tool cut.